In this video, we will show you how to replace the trimmer line in a Husqvarna T25 trimmer head. To begin, pinch the tabs on either side of the head and pull the outer housing away. Pull the spool out and discard any leftover line. Now measure out 18 feet or 5.5 meters of new Husqvarna trimmer line. Fold a section in the middle of the line to create a loop. Next, insert the loop into the middle hook of the spool. Start neatly wrapping the two ends, making sure the line is going in the direction indicated on the spool, and making sure the line is not crossing over itself. Once the line is fully wrapped around the spool, place each of the ends of the line into the notches at the bottom. Put the spool back into the head with the notches facing up. Push the outer shell back onto the trimmer head until you hear a click. Now you're ready to get back to trimming. For more information, please consult your owner's manual. A copy of your owner's manual can be found online at husqvarna.com.